Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to book a flight on the Virgin Australia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should tap on the book button down below, which is the second option. And then you should click on book flight in the middle of the screen. After that, you should wait a few seconds till it loads. And now you should select your departure point. So type it into the fly from box. Then select the fly to box to type in your destination. You can also select from these options, then click on the next button to select your date. Click on the button next to indicate the number of passengers and click on the Let's Fly button in the middle of the screen to search for available flights. You might need to wait a few seconds till the results are loading in, so here you will be able to find the available ones. So you can check them out and book your ticket. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.